What's up, guys? Murphy Firearms Training here. Follow-up video. So, I tinkered with this slide, and I could not for the life of me get this Glock sight that I want to put on this Ruger tight. It will not get tight, and here's the reason why. It's going to be really tough to show. This piece, and I got my screwdriver for pointing, right here that goes through the slide is a few thousandths too thick. And so what happens, I'm going to put it on the slide and show you. Actually, I'm going to let you hear it if I can put it back on the slide. So I put this back on the slide, and here's the deal, guys. It sticks through. You take your screwdriver and you can listen. It's catching, okay? So right here where this guy pokes through, it sits proud. So watch this screwdriver catch. So it'll catch right there. And then, so what I'm going to do, and so what happens, because this sits up just a touch too high, it's just a touch too thick. When you go to tighten the screw, the bolt, whatever you want to call that, it won't actually tighten down against the slide. What's happening is it's tightening down against this guy, and then there's some play. So I'm going to take this to the grinder, or actually I'm not going to take it to the grinder. I'm going to go in and file it in the shop. I'm going to put it in a vise and run a file across it, just a few strokes. And my goal is just to shorten this piece right here a couple of thousandths. And then I'm going to come back and put it on the gun. All right, guys, so I'm back, and I want to show you this is all silver now because I took the file across it. It should still look level. That's one of the dangers of filing something, is getting it all crooked. So be very, very careful if you're going to file these or take a stone to them or anything like that. Just make sure you try to get it pretty level. So when I put this back in the slide, now that I've taken the file to it, if I take that same screwdriver and I put it in here and I run it across, hard to do with my hand not in the way, but if I run it across, I actually feel it. It's almost level, and it actually dips down slightly when it gets to the sight. Okay, so instead of the screwdriver's edge catching and having to jump up, it's actually falling down onto the sight. So what that's going to allow is that's going to allow this nut to make contact with the sight and the slide. And the flip side of this, of course, is you don't want to file too much, because if you file too much material off, then it's going to actually flex this nut. So I'm going to, and this is really tough to get on camera, but I'm going to get this screw in here and get it started. I said I was. Not like that, I ain't. And they're all crooked. There we go. Get it in there straight. And go straight down. And line that up. And righty-tighty. And hopefully this time, so last time I tightened it as tight as I could, and the sight still had some wobble to it. Now this time I'm going to hopefully be able to tighten this thing up, and it's not going to have any wobble in it. Hopefully. And if it does, we'll keep playing. There we go. That's pretty snug. Still has a little wobble. See if I can get it any snugger, or if I need to reduce the length some more. Okay, that's pretty snug. Still got a little wobble in it. So the other option, of course, if the sight is fine, and we're going to take this out and see, the other option or the other issue you could have is that the nut could be too long. So let's actually take this out and put the nut in and measure that distance there. But I think, will that go flush with that? Well, it looks pretty flush with that. So I think we're going to take a few more thousandths off with the file. We're going to get this just a little lower, and we're going to try again. So a little bit more file work, and we'll see if this works. All right, guys. So I got it back on, and there is no movement this time. And the secret, after I ground down the sight, because the slide is not quite as thick as a Glock slide, the screw was too long and was not letting it seat all the way against the slide. So I actually had to grind a little bit of length off of that screw. And that was really hard because you have to hold it with a pair of pliers and hit it with a grinder or a Dremel or something like that and not lose that little screw. So I would suggest if you do that, you do it in a place where if it goes flying, you can find it. I actually used a Dremel over a white tub and did it down in the tub, and I actually dropped it twice in the process. But I had to shorten the screw, and I had to shorten the sight a little bit. So FYI, and once I did that, it did fit. So this is a fix I found online. I wanted to make a video. And then the first video, like I said, I'll post that as well. I tightened it up. I could not get it tight enough, and so I wanted to make this second video to make sure you guys knew if you tried this that you could get this right. So anyway, LCP custom, and now I have a cool white dot night sight. So anyway, I'll turn something bad into something good. Hope you like it. Appreciate your support. Thanks, guys.